Hello, Jeremy with Roofing Rochester here. We're standing in front of a beautiful Tesla solar roof. The solar roof, you can see here, definitely turns heads. When we're looking at the benefits of a Tesla roof, aside from the energy that it produces, you have the durability, one of the strongest roofs on the market. It's embedded in the metal tiles, and you can see up there that difficult to distinguish the solar from traditional metal tile roofing. The impact on your energy bill is really going to be dependent on a couple factors of what size of solar system that we can put on the roof to offset what you have. Our goal is always to get you as close to 100% as possible. We really don't want to produce more energy than you consume or that you need. We carry warranties for 25 years. And that goes against wind, damage, kind of your typical roofing warranty, but also goes against the production of the solar system that's embedded as well. Has that full 25-year production warranty behind it as well. I wanted to share what an installed Tesla Powerwall 3 battery looks like. You'll see that there's two of them combined here. This is the Powerwall 3, so it has the inverter integrated into the system. This system is set up for complete off-grid scenario where the homeowner will never lose power, but then we can use them for supplemental power during the daytime or night when the grid is operational, and that saves us energy on our electricity. So instead of pulling from the grid, we'll pull from the batteries. So really, when you look at it, the durability, the aesthetics, turning some neighbors' heads as they drive by, and then the production of electricity, the Tesla solar roof can't be beat. And we're happy to sit down and chat details with anybody that's interested here at Roofing Rochester.